Step 4. Assembly of system components. Let's start by randomly placing the buckets in the growing area. The pipe's threaded design is easily put together. We can continue by connecting the circulation line to the buckets. Connect air pump to the buckets. Connect air stones to the air hoses. Use 25 cm transparent hose to connect the water pump to the system. Connect the fluid to the reservoir box. We use the hose to which we connect the adapters to connect the reservoir and water tank. Place bucket covers and net pots. Be sure all parts are securely connected to ensure the system is waterproof. If necessary, use your hand tools or other materials shipped to you with Rootbox Hydro.